This is the JC Penney radio 680-53-56. Take the dash out of 5356. So this thing has that problem. But it seems to have one away. So we're gonna go ahead and reassemble this. So first thing we want to do is pull out the plug. Set that on the ground. So I just blew off some contacts. I was just looking at this wire right here, and this wire looks a little burnt or whatever. And another thought I had was maybe it's... Oh, this is just the antenna. So another thought I had was maybe this thing right here, the transformer. But you see, I just had the same model number of this, but I took in a scrap load to the scrapyard. And I don't have that anymore, and I should have tore into this thing earlier. I've had it for like 3 months now, or more. So, what you do to put this back together is basically the reverse of taking it apart. You put it in the 6 screws, or 5 for me, since this one's busted, but not for long. It'll be restored. So now the back is back on nice and securely. We're gonna go ahead put this back onto the desk. I did clean the contacts with rubbing alcohol, and I really think it helped, because believe it or not, I think definitely it helped. And that definitely helped, so it's fixed. It works. It has a tone adjustment. UXW Bill or somebody else covered that in their video, because they had a similar radio that had tone on it. I can't remember who, but if you covered that in a video, just feel free to correct my mistake. Basically what tone does is it enhances the audio and stuff. The song again.
Ladies and more, come down and join us. You do best. TIE.
I just think it's fair to play music from this radio's time on it and not the modern stuff, you know? And I think AM works now. Definitely AM works, but there is no signal.
Only if you got me feeling like this.
The official holiday.
Rate, comment, subscribe.